This is going to be a sound clip of the Magnaflow CatBack exhaust. Now this is with the windows up, air conditioning's on, just some normal driving. I was at a red light, turned green, so just did some very light to moderate acceleration. I'm going to try to do a little bit of a heavier acceleration now if traffic opens up a little bit. Alright, hopefully that gave a pretty good sound clip. I'll give you a little bit more until I get to the stop sign. Gonna do one more regular standard acceleration. Okay, I'll be doing an outdoor, actually, now that I think about it, let me go ahead and roll the window down so we can see if we can get a more of a sound clip that way. Gonna do a moderate acceleration, my windows are down. It's a little hot outside right now, so I went ahead and put my windows back up, and I hope y'all got what y'all wanted out of it. Not sure if it captured it very well. This is for the 2.0 CatBack exhaust with the ISIS downpipe. So it's all 3-inch exhaust all the way from the turbo back. I'll be doing an outside clip as well.